Okay, so just a short update video on the Caddx Ratel camera. They've updated the camera with a new lens. I believe this is the same lens that's on the Turtle with the glass lens. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's the exact same lens. And they said that this gives a better view in terms of distortion, so it's not as distorted as the old 2.1mm lens on the Ratel. I guess some people complained about too much fisheye in the 2.1mm lens. So anyway, here is what the new 2.1mm lens looks like in terms of field of view in the 16:9 mode. And if we look at the new 2.1mm lens now in the 4:3 mode, you can see the horizontal field of view between the two is the same. We just have now more vertical field of view in 4:3 mode on this lens. And just for comparison, we'll look at the 1.66mm lens in the 16:9 view. Compared to the 2.1mm lens, it's got a much wider horizontal field of view. The vertical field of view seems about the same, maybe a little bit bigger on the 1.66. And then if you look at the 1.66 lens in the 4:3 mode, it has a slightly wider field of view vertically, but not the horizontal field of view is actually quite a bit less compared to the 16:9 field of view on the 1.66. Anyway, so that's the field of view comparison and what the lens distortion looks like between the two different lenses, between the 2.1 and the 1.66. Here is actual flight footage from the 2.1 in the 16:9 mode on stock default settings. So you guys can see what this looks like in flight. This lens in actual flight at the normal FPV, or the normal park that I fly FPV at. Anyway, guys, that's going to end this little short update video on the Caddx Ratel. I'll put links down to the original Ratel videos down in the description if you guys want to check out more details on this camera. You guys can compare this new footage to the old footage. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.